Insulated versus standard siding. We get asked about this a lot. One thing I want to say about it is that a lot of times insulated siding is code for vinyl siding. The thing with insulated siding is that if you're talking about a vinyl siding product that has insulation on it, you're really just talking about a shortcut to insulating your home, protecting your home. Vinyl siding is really just a plastic siding. You're talking about an insulated vinyl siding. You're talking about a piece of plastic that has some EPS foam glued to the back of it, and the insulation value that you're going to get from that, while not nothing, is not significant enough to overcome some of the downsides. Another thing to think about with the investment of an insulated siding, if you're talking about insulated vinyl, is that you're really going to be paying 90% of the cost of a product like James Hardie anyway, but not getting the same durability over time. So if you're thinking about the energy efficiency of your home, what I would recommend that you do is remove all of your siding, insulate your walls with a better insulation, put new sheathing up, use a high quality moisture barrier like Bellwether uses, the James Hardie moisture barrier, and put new James Hardie siding. With that system, you're going to get the most energy efficiency, significantly better energy efficiency improvement than you are with insulated siding. One more little thing to think about when you're doing insulation on your home is, instead of doing insulated vinyl siding, think about replacing your windows at the same time. 70% of the energy efficiency that's lost out of your home is lost from the windows. So the best thing to think about is doing your windows at the same time as your siding, using a high quality durable product like James Hardie that's going to last you for a lifetime, using a high quality energy efficiency window like Pella Lifestyle windows.